Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Flex of campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is for associate software engineer, so IT information technology, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for freshers, that is 0 to 2 years of experience, so they are eligible to apply. And the job or the work location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, that is India. And the salary of the cities, it ranges from 3.5 to 4.8 lakhs per annum. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BA or BTech graduates as well as BCA, ME or MTech graduates are eligible to apply. And the streams, so any streams are eligible, so based on the skills. And the batch or the year of pass out, so any year of pass outs are eligible to apply. And the percentage criteria, it should be minimum 60% throughout. So the next thing is the tech stack or the technologies that are needed for this particular job role. So you need to have knowledge of ETL process, so SSIS or various Informatica tools. So the next thing is you need to have knowledge of reporting, so various reports like MSTR, SSRS or it can be BO tools. And skills related to data visualization like Tableau as well as or it can be ThoughtSpot. And you need to have knowledge of database skills, so like you need to be strong in SQL, PLSQL, so or Oracle database, Snowflake or Teradata, so whichever is fine. So you need to have at least one of the skills in these technologies, in each technologies whichever mentioned, so you need to have at least one skill. So these are the overall technologies that are needed for this particular job role. So then coming to the selection process, the first round, it's an online aptitude test. So once you clear that, there will be group discussion. And the third round, it will be technical interview. And the last round will be the HR interview. So these are the 4 rounds included in the selection process. So then coming to the application link, it is through Workday Jobs. So there are 4 different ways to apply for this particular job role. So you can autofill it with resume, or you can apply manually by filling all the details, or you can use your last application if you already have the account with Workday, so you can just use the application or you can edit it. And the other option is you can apply with LinkedIn, so you will, like everyone will be having the LinkedIn, you can just directly apply with the LinkedIn. So these are the 4 different ways to apply, so you can just apply to whichever ways. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.